Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will generate a pencil sketch of your input image, or you can say that it will generate a cartoon version of your image. Very simply, OpenCV is a very popular package inside Python, and let me show you a very simple example. So let's suppose we are taking this image as an example. We have this input image and I am applying this Python script to it. So once I execute this, you will see it will generate a simple pencil version of this image. On the left hand side you will see pencil sketch.jpg. So if I try to open this, you will see this is actually drawn a pencil sketch of this image, a cartoon version of this image. So you can take any image. For example, let's suppose I take this image. For example, I pass this and execute the same script. So now you can see this looks something like this. You can see how beautiful the image is looking. This is the pencil sketch of the image. So it is looking like someone has drawn this pencil sketch of the original image. So in this way you can use the OpenCV module. Let me show you the package name, which is OpenCV-Python. So this is the package name. Simply install this by executing this pip command here. I've already installed it, so after this you just need to, I've given the script in the description of this video, so if you need the script, all the source code is given. So first of all you import the OpenCV package, then we load the input image by using the image read function. Here we specify the address of the image like this. After that we now need to, the first step is that we need to convert this image to grayscale, the black and white version of the image. For this OpenCV have this method here, which is CVT color, and here we pass your input image and then we convert this into the black and white image version. The second step is to invert this image. So we create another variable inverted image 255 minus the gray image. The third step, you need to blur this image. For blurring this image, OpenCV again has a method for this, which is Gaussian blur. After blurring this image, we again need to invert this image once again. And the last step is to generate the pencil sketch by blending it. So it contains a function which is cv to divide, and here we pass our black and white image and the inverted, and then here you can provide a scaling value. So the best value I found is 256. So just provide this, and after that we simply save this output image write function. So you save your pencil sketch image. That's all. So this completes your script. Very simple script. And if I once again delete this and once again run this, you will see it will generate the pencil sketch. So you will see that this pencil sketch looks something like this. You will see that it's a cool little effect that you can generate inside Python. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.